The Cannes Film Festival, held annually in the picturesque city of Cannes on the French Riviera, is one of the most prestigious and renowned film festivals in the world. Established in 1946, the festival has grown to become a global platform for showcasing the best in international cinema, attracting filmmakers, celebrities, critics, and cinema enthusiasts from all corners of the globe. The festival's origins date back to the 1930s, a period marked by increasing political tensions in Europe. The Venice Film Festival, established in 1932, was the world's first international film festival. However, it became apparent that a new platform was needed to counterbalance the increasing influence of fascist regimes on the selection of films. In response, Jean Zay, the French Minister of National Education, proposed the creation of an international film festival in France. After initial planning and delays due to World War II, the first Cannes Film Festival was held in 1946. Cannes, a luxurious resort town known for its beautiful beaches, chic hotels, and glamorous nightlife, provides a stunning backdrop for the festival. The main events take place at the Palais des Festivals et des Congrès, a modern conference center located on the Boulevard de la Croisette. This grand venue is home to the festival's iconic red carpet, where stars from around the world make their dazzling appearances, adding to the festival's allure and prestige. The Cannes Film Festival is structured around several key sections: official selection, parallel sections, and independent sections. Official selection, in competition. This is the most prestigious section, featuring films that compete for the coveted Palme d'Or, Golden Palm, and other major awards. The selection includes feature films from established directors and promising new talents. Out of competition, these films are showcased without competing for the main awards, but are often high-profile premieres from well-known directors. Uncertain regard. This section focuses on innovative and daring works that offer a unique perspective on storytelling and filmmaking. Parallel sections, Cine Foundation, dedicated to showcasing short films and works from film schools around the world, nurturing the next generation of filmmakers. Short films, a competition for short films, culminating in the awarding of the Short Film Palme d'Or. Cannes Classics, a celebration of classic films and restored masterpieces, highlighting the rich history of cinema. Cannes XR, exploring the intersection of film and technology through virtual reality and immersive experiences. Independent sections, Directors Fortnight, Quinzaine des Réalisateurs, an independent section organized by the French Directors Guild, known for its bold and innovative selections. International Critics Week, Semaine de la Critique, focuses on discovering new talents through the presentation of first and second feature films. The awards at Cannes are highly coveted and can significantly boost the careers of filmmakers and actors. The most prestigious award is the Palme d'Or, awarded to the best film in the official competition. Other notable awards include the Grand Prix, Jury Prize, Best Director, Best Screenplay, and acting awards for Best Actor and Best Actress. The Uncertain Regard section also has its own set of awards, recognizing works that offer a unique and unconventional approach to filmmaking. The Cannes Film Festival plays a critical role in the global film industry. It serves as a major platform for the promotion and distribution of films, with numerous deals being negotiated during the event. The festival's Marché du Film market, is one of the largest and most important film markets in the world, attracting producers, distributors, and sales agents. In addition to its economic impact, Cannes significantly influences film culture and trends. The festival's selections and awards often set the tone for the year's cinematic landscape, highlighting emerging trends and new talents. Many films that premiere at Cannes go on to achieve critical and commercial success worldwide. Despite its prestige, the Cannes Film Festival has not been without controversies. Criticisms have been directed at various aspects of the festival, including its perceived exclusivity, the selection process, and the representation of women and minority filmmakers. In recent years, the festival has made efforts to address these issues, such as implementing gender parity initiatives and promoting diversity in its selections and juries. The Cannes Film Festival has been the stage for many memorable and historic moments in cinema history. From the controversial screening of films like Pulp Fiction and The Tree of Life, to the emotional standing ovations for films like Parasite and Blue is the Warmest Color, Cannes has witnessed the rise of many cinematic masterpieces. The festival has also been a launchpad for the careers of numerous filmmakers, including Quentin Tarantino, Pedro Almodovar, and the Coen brothers. The Cannes Film Festival remains a symbol of artistic excellence and cinematic celebration. Its impact on the film industry and culture is profound, continuing to shape the future of cinema with each edition. As the festival evolves, it maintains its commitment to honoring the art of filmmaking and celebrating the diversity of voices that make up the global film community. Whether through the glitz and glamour of the red carpet or the discovery of groundbreaking films and talents, Cannes continues to captivate and inspire audiences worldwide.